Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let's introduce myself. My name is Fatimah Tusero. You can call me Fatimah. I am a patient and my friend.
Hello, my name is Tutik Sulistiawati. You can call me Tutik. I am a nurse. Happy watching. Excuse me. Good morning, Mrs. Fatima. I Nurse Tutik. I to be assisting your today. Would you tell me more about the problem you're experiencing?
Good morning. I've been having pain in my lower since last night.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me follow some steps to assess your condition properly. First, what you describe the pain it is sharp, striking, or a throat.
It's mostly a light, but it gets worse when I move or bend.
Thank you for explaining. I will fill in the pain assessment PQRST form. First, for provocation, what's make the pain worse?
Moving around or bending.
I see. Second, for quality. How about the quality?
I think it's done, but sometimes cracking.
Okay, I understand it. Third, for air. Region. Does the pain stand in one spot or split?
It stays in lower abdomen.
I see. Next is severity. On a scale of 1 to 10, how severe in the pain?
Maybe in around 6.
Or it's a moderate pain. So next, T. Timing. When did it start and it is constant or intermittent?
It started last night and hasn't gone away.
That's very helpful information. Now, let me ask about other symptoms. Have you experienced nausea, vomiting, or changes in your bowel or urinary habits?
I feel a bit nauseous, but I have not vomited. I also some blooding and had problem passing urine this morning.
Thank you. According to the SAP, I to check your vital signs and perform the focused abdomen assessment. May I present?
Yes, please.
Your blood pressure is 110 by 17 mmHg. I also noted tenderness in the lower abdomen. As it on the sub, I to inform the doctor. Encouragement for further evaluation and possible diagnostic tests like blood work and ultrasound.
Thank you. Is there anything I can do to relieve the pain for now?
You can try laying in a comfortable position and applying a warm compress to your lower abdomen. Also, avoid heavy meals and drink plenty of water. I to check in short.
Thank you, Nurse Tutik.
You're welcome, Mrs. Fatima. Please let me know if you can work if you feel dizzy or faint. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.